Car vlog number 2.
Close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and pray.
Mini Cooper.
I close my eyes and I can see a better day.
We need something exciting to happen again.
Close my eyes and
That's a weird color car. It's like a pastel blue.
I lose my
No, but I swear if they go over and hit them,
I know, I thought they were
that'll
gonna
be their fault.
Idiot, smoking. Ooh.
Where's my phone?
You're gonna like freak out more. Like, oh shit, where's my... What is that? Random? Come on. Show the camera.
You can't see it.
That was weird. I want it to be nice out.
Good, we're playing. We're just friends. What are you saying?
We need to do something exciting. Like, do a fast turn. No. No! You should have knew that was gonna happen. Like I said. That was where he was like, bae. He didn't do it that time. Is this the new version? One. I don't think so. I hope it is. Find out.
Oh my.
And I just can't believe we ain't together. And I gotta play cool. Cause I'm losing you. I'll buy you anything. I'll buy you anything.
It's not. Because the new one's like, any ring.
Baby, fix me.
I always wave to this guy. Actually, I beep it up. Stop, I beep. I'm gonna run over. I beep. Oh, it's a girl. It's a girl. It's always a boy. I like the boy one better. That's gonna be the most suckiest job ever. It's a job. That's true. Good way to put it, Brittany. Good way to put it. True, it's a job. It's time to time. Oh, put it in the step. This is a gay vlog. We're not doing anything fun.
Because it's not a good one.
Nothing's happening. We need something to happen. Did you ever put that one on there? It did. Did it get views? I don't know. I haven't been on it in so long. It just turned green. I know.
So I start going, and I'm almost gonna hit them, and they should get going already. That's the rule.
So I made a video, and I've been tweeting it to Justin Bieber of like my never say never story. And I told about like what happened and everything. There you go. And I've been posting it, and it has like 100 views. It's like whoa. And I like video responses to a bunch of videos, and I keep tweeting it to him. And I posted it to his Facebook, and I didn't realize that it posted it onto my wall. That it posted onto his Facebook.
I'd be like, oh,
and
delete.
I know. And Felicia goes, she's like, I saw that video. I was like, what video? She's like, that you made for Justin Bieber. I was like, what? She's like, yeah, you. She's like, you
Hold it.
She's like, yeah, you posted it to his Facebook. I was like, oh.
It's funny.
She's like, yeah. She's like, if he found that out, she's like, you could probably. She's like, because that's a really cool story. I was like, yeah, I know. I was like, that's what I'm doing now. I was like, I'm tweeting it to him and to his friends and to Ellen DeGeneres and to his manager and all these people. And she's like, yeah, just keep doing that. And I was like, I know. What's next?
What time?
Oh, you just had turned it down. We just listened to one time.
I feel like it is though.
Nope. It's First Dance. I was listening to it. I was like, wow.
I told you it is. First, we should just change the first text.
That sounds weird though. First text to me. This is weird. Seriously is. It's weird to see. Ew. Lips are chapped.
Have your lips scrubbed.
I'll do that when I get home.
I'm gonna look nice tomorrow.
Why?
Because your boy's like is flirting with me now.
Really? I should have asked her if they were still talking.
What? Oh no, I'm not talking about him.
Oh.
Forget, you know who was at his locker? And I was like, oh, Megan, daily law.
No, she's dating.
Oh, Tony.
Yeah.
She was at his locker.
Like at his locker.
At his locker. I'm gonna say something to him tomorrow.
Like,
no,
so
I'm talking about in last hour. My uncle.
Oh, no. What? No.
I have to. I don't really care about Chris.
That's not awkward.
I don't care
class.
about Chris.
Don't fall.
Chris is okay. Because
What is
what
that?
the heck?
What
How
is
the hell are we gonna get in your house?
How are we supposed to go around that?
I don't know.
Are we supposed to go into the grass of the other house?
Oh no, my car ain't going through no grass. I'll beep until if one wood thing goes on my car, I'm flipping shit and I'm gonna sue them. I swear to God, we're not gonna fit there, cause you know. Seriously, I don't think we're. Oh yeah, we will.
Oh, that was almost really bad. What are they? What's their company? Don't go to Carm's Tree Service. They suck.
Don't go. I'm just gonna park here. I don't feel like going on. Is that thing still there? I'm just staying here.
I'll show you the buggy. We'll go see it. It's really cool. It's really big.
Where?
Okay, in the garage. We gotta go back there anyway to get in the house. What are you confused about?
Is it one of those like pop-up ones?
No, it's like heavy
a
duty.
full. Okay, I want to see it.
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Goodbye.